Welcome to NewForge Knowledge Place. We're glad to have you. Today we're going to be walking you through the platform. Let's begin by signing into our account. This is the main dashboard of NewForge Knowledge Place. Let's begin with the navigation bar across the top of your screen. Here you have your name, the home icon, your shopping cart, and your notifications. By clicking on your name, you can access a page to edit your profile, a page to view your request board posts, a page to check on your payment methods, and a button to sign out. Let's check out our profile. On this page, you can edit your photo and name, your basic information, change your password, and upgrade or cancel your subscription. Take note that at the top of the page, you can also apply to become an expert. For now, let's check out the credit card page. This is where you can add or change any payment methods you would like to use. To add a new card, click this button. From here, you can fill out your card information. Use the trash can icon to delete forms of payment, and the Set as Default button to select one as your main form of payment. Make sure to set this up prior to scheduling your first call. Now that we've covered that process, let's return to the home screen. Below the navigation bar, you have a QR code that you can use to sign into your account on a smartphone or smart glasses. To learn more about using NewForge Knowledge Place on a mobile device, make sure to check out the training library. On the center of your screen, you'll have your appointments. Appointments will appear here once you've booked an expert's time. Let's take a look at the booking process. From this page, we can search for an expert by name or by the type of equipment we're having a problem with. For example, let's search Alan Bradley. This generates a list of qualified experts in that equipment. We can view their name, their next available appointment, and their hourly rate. To learn more about an expert, you can click the three dots on the far right and select View Profile. From this page, we can see the expert's general background and rating, their insurance status, their skills and expertise, and their time zone and working hours. To read reviews about our expert, we can click the Work History tab. Now that we've got some more information on our expert, let's schedule a call. We'll go back to the Book an Appointment page and select their name. Now let's press Continue. From here, we select which day and time we'd like to have a call with this expert. Then press Continue. Finally, let's leave our expert some details about the issue. We then click Book Appointment. This will return us back to the home page. Here, we can see details about our appointment. Right now, the expert still has to approve the appointment. In the meantime, they may send you a message asking for more details using the chat function located here. Once the expert approves the appointment, it will look like this on the screen. We now have the Launch Session button, which we'll click when it's time to join our call. Please review our call walkthrough to learn more before taking your first call. Below your appointments, you have the dashboard. This is the main way you'll navigate NewForge Knowledge Place. The first page is the training library. From here, you can schedule an onboarding appointment with a member of our staff and view our training articles and videos. The next link on the dashboard is the Marketplace. This is where you can buy smart glasses and other devices to use. Following that is the Transactions page. From here, you can view a more detailed list of transactions from a financial point of view. You can keep track of what calls you've had with what experts, how long they were, and how much they cost. Next is the request board. This is our public forum where technicians can post about problems they're having or experts they're looking for. If you see a post that you like, make sure to interact with it by liking or commenting on the post. To create your own post, start by clicking the Create a Post button. This will open a pop-up where you can write out your post. When you're finished, click Save to make your post public. You will continue to be notified if your post receives any comments or likes. To view any post that you've made on the request board, you can simply click your name and select My Request Board Posts. And if you ever want to delete a post, click the 3 dots located here and select Delete. And finally, we have service reports. Whenever a call is finished, you have the option to create a service report. From this page, you can edit or create reports on any call that you've had. Take note of the service report status on the right. This indicates whether an issue has been resolved with completed or if it remains unresolved with processed. With that, you're all set to start using NewForge Knowledge Place. For more information, contact the NewForge team at info@newforge.pro.